this is Ling Chi, brush painting for beginners from Oriental Art Supply. Today we're going to do bamboo, which is a very basic beginner's subject, but it's also very challenging. And there's so many layers you can learn. So some artists that spend all their lifetime doing nothing but bamboos. Today we want to introduce some brushes we have researched and learned how to make your job much easier. We're going to use a 3-inch wash brush and our BIFF brush for trunks. And then we have mountain bamboo brush for our leaves. And then we have Twig Brush for our branches. You can see a lot of people that demonstrate, they have used one brush, which is orchid bamboo. But all these different brushes will make your bamboo much more dynamic and easy to accomplish that purpose. So the color I'm using is yellow chunks with indigo chips, green, vermilion chips, and best bottle ink. The paper we're using today is our large pre-mounted board. These is very budget friendly and you don't need to mount it. So a lot of beginners, that's one of the big challenges for them. So I think that I introduced all the tools I'm going. Oh, that because the bamboo is pretty big, so a mixing dish like this is necessary. So I'm going to start doing the largest trunk to start with. So make sure that your brush are fully loaded with water and then stroke it dry. And I'm going to load the vermilion first on both sides. And then green on the top of the vermilion. And then kind of rub a little bit so it will blend. And then on the end, I'm going to use the ink, load the ink, and I kind of rub a little bit, and then I'm going to load the ink again. The trunk at it's going to be shorter the first stroke. So this is very important. The beginning is shorter, and then the middle is longer, and then the end one is shorter. And then there is a smaller bamboo trunk right next to it. So they are not parallel. So they are started out a little bit and then coming together at the end. So this smaller trunk, I'm going to use our BIFF brush, which majority uses are for bamboo trunk. There's other uses. When you buy the BIFF brush, it will tell you what other things you can do with it. So make sure they are loaded with liquid, because this brush It's a hard brush, so have a tendency to dry. So I'm going to load the vermilion on both ends, and then green, and then I'm going to rub it. So on the end, I'm going to load with the ink on the both ends, and then I'm going to rub a little bit. So I want to make sure that the trunk is wide enough. So this brush might not be able to carry all the way down. So I might have to load in the middle. So this is my smaller branch. So you can see that there is a gap in the middle. And then I'm going to do the bamboo leaves. So this composition is majority, we are showcasing the trunk. So, but we have two groups of leaves. So I'm loading the vermilion. This is our mountain bamboo brush. It's a great bamboo leaf brush. Okay, and then the second group is down below. All right, now I'm changing to my twig brush, which is exactly what we said, a twig. So it's for bamboo twig. And also I'm going to do the knot between the section of the trunk. You can see that I didn't do the knot right away because if I do the knot right away, it's going to run. All right, so now I'm going to connect this group of leaf with the knot on the bottom knot. So and then this one is going to come from here. And then that one would be. All right, then we finished the bamboo on pre-mounted, large pre-mounted whiteboard.